This message is transmitted at the request of the Taiwan Islander government. At an unknown time, Tom's curse has been broken out to certain characters, ruling them to Danny DeVito. New entities include Gina the Giraffe, Harry the Hedgehog, Rex the Dinosaur, Roby the Robot, Monica, Jimmy 5, Fries, Wenda, and the Friendly Shapes. Stay tuned for more information.
At 3 p.m. Taiwan Standard Time, there are bootlegs referring to their canon characters. They are harmless and safe, while the canon characters are aggressive and hostile. We can return to your regular programming. This is the Taiwan Islander Alert System, signing off.